Everybody, I hope everybody's staying warm. Obviously, we did not have class tonight, but that does not mean that homework is not due next Thursday. So I need you to complete your landing page assignment. And your landing page assignment has to do with the ad groups that you have created in your group. Every group member is responsible for one landing page and tying it to one of the ads that you guys have created in your groups. Just as a refresher, I'm going to go over the whole situation again, creating a campaign, creating different ad groups, doing keyword research that you guys obviously started last Thursday that you're going to complete in tonight's class. But I'm going to go over it again so you can complete it this week and make sure that you get your homework done. So what you're going to do first is go ahead and log into the simulation. Obviously, you're going to log in here, type in your password, and then you're going to obviously go into the search engine marketing. Now, most of you will probably have campaigns. I don't have a campaign here because I haven't created one yet. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new campaign. So I just hit new campaign, and I'm going to steal Zach's product and work the iPad product line. And I'm going to put my name on here so I get credit. And I'm going to go ahead and pick the iPad keywords. Now, it's important that I take out keywords that I don't think belong in this. And I'm going to remove the versus keywords because that would make a heck of a good ad group by itself. So what I'm doing is obviously creating the overall campaign, and my first ad group that I'm creating is going to have these 4 keywords in here that are strictly, actually 3 keywords in here, that's a versus I missed, 3 keywords in here that are just random, or just about the iPad itself. So I'm going to go ahead and hit next step. I'm going to bid about $300 for this group. I'm going to write cool ad, get your iPads here. Great prices on all versions of iPads, and that doesn't work. So I'm going to write free shipping on all iPads, because remember, I want to keep the keywords somewhere in here. So the keywords in my headline and the keywords obviously in my body of my thing. This is important. This is the destination URL. This is your default one. When you go ahead and create your landing page, after you're done creating your landing page, for the specific ad you are, I need you to come back and change this to your landing page, and we'll go over that in a second. So I'm going to go ahead and preview the campaign and then hit create. So I have this brand new campaign here, which is the iPad product line. Now, if you notice that I have one group, ad group, but there was other keywords that I saw in there that I did not select. I want to go ahead and create an ad group out of them. So that was the versus keywords. I thought that was pretty good. So I'm going to type that as that ad group's name as review or comparison. And that's going to be my group. So I'm going to go ahead and hit create, or next step, that creates my ad group. See iPad reviews, or you know what would be a better one, iPad comparison reviews. Alright, see the iPad versus main other versus tablets, other tablets, comprehensive reviews. Now I'll change that to great reviews and prices. So again, my main objective of this website you're building is to sell tablets. So I'm going to make sure that I sell tablets. So there's I got my keywords in here, versus and my iPad comparison. I'm going to go ahead and preview ad group. and go ahead and create it. And if I hit refresh here, and the new ad group will appear right there. But there's no keywords in it. You notice that I didn't add keywords. So I need to go down to research and find all those wonderful versus terms. So I'm just going to quickly go through here and see if I'm sure I'm going to skip some, but I'm going to see if I can find some of those verses. Oh, there's one. So I'm going to go ahead and hit add. That's the campaign, and then it's in the review comparison ad group. So highlight that and hit save. So that's there. All right. I don't see any more on this page. Versus, not on this page. Oop. I think you add your keywords to your group, and again, going back to the add groups button here, and if you look in, actually, if you go to keywords here, you can see that I've added. If I sort by ad group, I have the 3 original keywords that I chose for that group and 3 new keywords for that new ad group I created. So now I have 2 ad groups here that are in the same campaign. What I need to do now is my homework assignment, which is to create actually create a landing page for these 2 items. So what I want to go ahead and do is hit the home button and go into my website management and analytics page. From here, I can go ahead and create a new landing page. These are all the components of your landing page, and again, review the chapter on landing page as far as what are the best practices. But obviously, I want to make sure that my keyword is in here, and I'm making this first landing page for the iPad general group. Check out the latest iPads and save. I think that's a pretty powerful page name. See all the versions of new iPads and save money with great discounts and free shipping. Everybody likes free shipping, right? From what you guys have taught me. So I went ahead and added a description and page name. Next thing I'm going to do is choose a header. And I'm going to go ahead and choose the header. I'm going to use my title here and description text. And again, that's right here. I think that would be a powerful header. So I'm going to go ahead and put that up here. As far as the product placement, I want to show all my different iPad models. So instead of focusing on one or a certain product title, I'm going to go ahead and show all my things here, all my iPad versions here. Next, I'm going to go to the lead capturing thing, and instead of a short form, I want a long form because people are going to be buying the product on there. So I'm going to choose that. As far as content, what type of content could I put on there? I think a picture gallery of all the iPads would be kind of cool. And then also, I'm going to put maybe a short video. I think that'd be pretty cool to show a little short video. Finally, I'm going to go ahead and choose my footer. And my footer, I'm going to have my social plugins so people can, share this, see how that does. I'm going to go ahead and, after I'm all done picking these, hit create landing page. I'm just going to create my landing page with my title, check out the latest iPads and save, and see all the versions of the new iPads and save money with great discounts. Now I can go ahead and change that if I want to, so you can always change it. Short text that creates some of the keywords up here. I'm going to go ahead and put the best prices on iPad tablets. Because remember, my 3 keywords in that ad group all have iPad in it. So I want to make sure that my iPad keyword is in everywhere on this page. For title for compare and buy different versions of iPads. All right. Form title. Fill out form to purchase your iPad. Okay. Picture gallery. Different versions of iPad, and then I'm going to go ahead and short video see the iPad in use. I think that'd be pretty cool. Social plugins, obviously follow us on social media. Alright, so that's a pretty solid landing page for my general iPad 1. Check out the latest iPads and save as my URL. So my keywords in my URL, it's in my headline, it's in my individual sections of the page, it's in my alt image tag right here. It's also in my alt video tag. So I'm following the six checklists of a good keyword. But oh my gosh, it's not linked to an ad. So after I went ahead and saved this, obviously my score is 72 out of 100, so that's not doing so well. And I bet you it's because it's not tied to an ad. So I'm going to go back to home here, and I'm going to go back into my search engine marketing, go into my ads, and obviously I have 2 ads, you'll probably have more, but I want to go ahead and attach that to my ad group. And remember, it's my basic ad group here. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the edit button, which is the pen, and I'm going to connect it to that ad. So now if I go back to my landing page is now connected to the ad that has something to do with that product. Now you can go ahead and keep editing it, and the page score will tell you how you rank out of 100. Obviously you want to rank as much as possible. If you want to, you can click on this want to know more button, and it'll actually tell you things that you can do to improve your thing. So again, the CTA works best and works good. So follow the elements here, obviously, and that's how you can improve your score. So maybe I go back here, and instead of the picture gallery, maybe I subtract it out to something else. Maybe I do a product. So I'll work this to continue to improve my score, and all you have to do to edit your page is go up to here, and you can go ahead and change any aspect of it. So maybe I'll add a CTA here and update my landing page here. Now maybe the CTA, oh look, my score went up, so that helped. Maybe I get rid of that video. I have a strong I have a video here, so maybe maybe instead of the video here I have some short text. So I update that landing page. It hasn't gone up yet, but you know, maybe if I substitute something else out, maybe that would be good. Short video. You know, maybe I put that CTA button back here. That seemed to work well and up my score. Let's see how that did. 78. So again, you can play with this and do what you will to try to get that score as close to 100 as possible. Obviously, create your landing page for each ad that you have up there. So again, going back to my example here, if you go to your group, each one of you is responsible for creating a landing page. So obviously each one of you have created an ad group that has an ad, at least one ad in it. So go create for next Thursday and add a landing page for that ad. Again, watch this for any further, you know, if you need help or anything like that, and contact me with any questions that you have. But that's the homework for next Thursday, so good luck.